Hey guys, welcome back to the Tiki Kev shop. This is the third video this week, and no rant today. You know what? You hire somebody new and they don't show up the next day. That shows a lot of character and what they are not. So anyway, obviously somebody that's not trustworthy, and that's certainly somebody I wouldn't have wanted on the trip. So it's coming down. It's going to be me, Ed, and Eric, unless somebody wants an all-expense paid trip to Wisconsin and Illinois. Just let me know. Anyway, I got a surprise for you guys, especially you guys waiting on the bar. Boop. We're just about ready to get out of here. The bars are set up on the trailer. Hopefully, this is the most weight I've had on this trailer. I've had some big-ass bars on here, though. That one to Connecticut was pretty big. That took up almost the whole trailer. So now I got two on here. But we'll see. All right, and Eric's in the middle of finishing up loading. It's mostly all small stuff now. All the big stuff I believe he has on. And Ed will be here sometime Monday. Can't forget the walking plank. So Ed will be here sometime Monday, so we are leaving here Tuesday. And we're going to stop in Tinley Park. So this is the tentative schedule. Well, this is not tentative. This is pretty much how it's got to be. Truck's almost, I think Eric's getting all the screws and all the little stuff. But this is, it's 106 in the sun today here. I mean, it doesn't feel that bad. But you can watch Eric load screws. So, okay, so here's the schedule while we're watching Eric load the screws. So we're leaving Tuesday. What's that?
What's up, everybody?
Yeah, what's up? We're leaving Tuesday. We're going to leave as early as possible. With my eyesight the way it is, I can't really drive at night anymore. So we're going to go to Tinley Park first. We're going to get there, drop his bar off, and stay there tonight. It's going to be probably about 13 to 14 hours because we're going to have to stop and fill up both vehicles. So we're going to stop in Tinley Park. We're going to drop off his bar and his roof supplies, go get a hotel for the night, and then it's going to be another probably 7 to 8 hours to Shell Lake, Wisconsin. We're going to do that install. That's about a day and a half. When that's done, we're going to drive back to Tinley Park to break up the drive down to Highland. So we're going to go to Tinley Park, do that install. That's a day and a half. And then drive the next 5 or 5.5 hours, whatever it is, to Highland. Oh, look, you can't watch Eric. He walked away. And then we'll be heading home after that. Hopefully everything goes smooth. We don't need anything like we did with Massachusetts and the truck breaking down. As much money as I have into that thing should be running like a brand new truck, but who knows? I mean, for that type of truck, there's only 200,000 miles on it. It's mostly the exhaust is what the problem is, that exhaust system. And every mechanic I've talked to said they were the greatest things since sliced butter when they came out, but once you got many miles on them, it's a poor design on the exhaust and how all the carbons burn off, and that's what the main issue's been with this truck. So hopefully, it was in Connecticut for almost 4 weeks, 3.5 weeks, and they said everything's fixed on it. It should run like a champ. So we'll see what happens. 2,700 mile round trip. Hopefully we can get done, I mean, as fast as possible, get everybody their projects and move on. The next one on the table is going to be out towards Pittsburgh. I'm sorry, Jeff, I forget the name of your town. What is it? Fombell. I think I'm pronouncing it right. Fombell, Pennsylvania, just outside of Pittsburgh. But we also have... I don't know how I'm going to make this work, but as soon as we get back, I'll be building that bar. And we got 2 tiki huts to do, one in Virginia and one in Lebanon, PA. So when we get back, those are the 2 jobs that are getting done next. while I am in the shop building the bars. So I don't know how I'm going to pull that off. See if I can get Ed to stay maybe a couple days longer, and him and Eric can go knock those out while I'm taking care of the Pittsburgh bar. But we'll see. The lack of help is just killing us. I don't know what else to say about it. There's nothing else to say. So hope you guys enjoy this video, because we have a set time when we're leaving, which is Tuesday. We're going to keep an eye on the weather and do whatever we got to do to get these installs done. So if you guys remember, back in June I had the palm delivery, and the palm delivery was a 2-day delivery from Florida to Pennsylvania. We were supposed to have, it was written on the bill of lading, it was written on my receipt, everything from the palm company to here. And if you guys remember, it took 2.5 weeks to get here. And what happened was the initial trucking company pawned it off on a smaller third party, and they just delivered it whenever the hell they felt like it. So the emergency order of palms, they got out for me pretty quick. They were actually shipped, and I didn't even know they shipped them, but they shipped them 2 days ago, and they were supposed to arrive in Illinois in Tinley Park yesterday. And I'm going to let you guys figure out what the outcome of that was. And you're correct, they did not show. And once again, it had a 2-day delivery on there. So we'll see what happens. I already got phone calls in to the palm company, letting them know that, because I was told they were being delivered yesterday. So I'm unhappy if we get out to Illinois and there's no palms there. This is all the crap we're dealing with. But anyway, all right, I kept you long enough. I'll probably have, we're not leaving, today's Friday, we're leaving Tuesday first thing. Probably as soon as it's bright enough for me to be able to see, and we'll get on the road. Anybody want to join us? Like I said, feel free to give me a shout. You can, I got Eric in the truck with me, Ed's in the box truck. Anybody want to drive with Ed for a week and a half? Let me know. All right. Let me know your comments. I love hearing your guys' comments, especially you, Dan Collick. Keep them coming, buddy. Keep them coming. All right. We'll see you in the next video, guys, from the Tiki Kev shop. Tiki Kev out.